When talking about tyres, the term rolling resistance is often used. But what does it mean and why does it matter? Rolling resistance is the energy consumed by a tyre as it travels. A tyre with a higher rolling resistance requires more energy to move than one with a lower rolling resistance. If we compare tyres with a high rolling resistance and a low rolling resistance by giving them a push, then the one with a higher rolling resistance would stop sooner, whilst the one with a lower rolling resistance will keep on rolling. The amount of rolling resistance a tyre has depends on its design. The tread pattern, tyre compound and internal structures all impact a tyre's rolling resistance. Other external factors that can affect rolling resistance include tyre pressures, vehicle weight, vehicle speed and air temperature. For example, if your tyre pressure is set too low, this will increase your rolling resistance. So why does rolling resistance matter to you? Well, rolling resistance is going to impact how energy efficient your tyre is. A low rolling resistance is going to make your vehicle more energy efficient. It means it's going to reduce CO2 emissions and make your petrol or diesel car use less fuel. If you're an EV owner, it's going to save you some battery. But how do you find out the rolling resistance of a tyre? Well, you find the rolling resistance out on the EU tyre label where there's a fuel efficiency rating. Now, with rolling resistance, it's rated in A to G. Rolling resistance of A means it's going to be lower and therefore more energy efficient, whereas G is going to have a higher rolling resistance and therefore less energy efficient. So now you know what rolling resistance is and why it matters. And if you're looking for a tyre that's going to be most energy efficient, then make sure to look for the lowest rolling resistance.